Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. As if all I have is you, and I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun it slowly fades. The days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
Welcome to Jacksonville, Florida. We're here, we're gonna check out some of the sights, some shopping of course, and talk to the locals. Come along, we'll have an adventure. There's a 27. Yeah. Here we have a Confederate memorial. The pillar is still there. The statue on top has been removed.
Crazy here at the public dock. The currents are just crazy, and we have a cold front approaching. So the tide switches like this every 6 hours, but with the added wind, and storms coming in. Wow. Like hard up on the dock. We're at the Skyway Central Station. Skyway is provided in Jacksonville Monday through Friday for individuals to be able to ride across the river. So we're going to take a ride today on the Skyway. Follow us as we head on to Central Station and take a ride. So when are the doors opening?
You must pay your fee for the doors to open.
Two hours later.
Well, it's a good idea, the Skyway, but poorly executed. Didn't take more than 5 minutes for us to realize that there were problems with the software. They had to reboot the train. We ended up being trapped on the train for about 15 minutes. And they have turnstiles for a free train. We're downtown and the food trucks are all lined up. Food trucks serve the financial community that exists here. It's all banks. Every place is a bank here. Primarily it's a Monday to Friday crowd. The banks and credit unions all close up on the weekend, and the city's fairly much a ghost town come Saturday and Sunday, except for some nightlife on a couple of blocks of downtown and in one section just outside of town.
Lunch. Garlic.
Ooh, that looks good. Oh my god. Wow.
Plantain. Oh boy. Wow.
Well, we were headed to St. Augustine today and got sidetracked. One of the fellow boats that we've been casually traveling with has pulled into a beautiful spot here off the ICW. So we've decided to stop here for the afternoon and evening and go explore on shore. We've got our dinghy, which needs to be assembled, some assembly required. We're only about 10 miles north of St. Augustine, and this seems a lot nicer. Everybody goes to St. Augustine. We've been there a million times, and you've probably seen a lot of YouTube videos of it, and if you haven't, there are plenty out there. So we're gonna go do something different today. It's Juan Ponce de Leon, bronze statue.
Would you follow this man anywhere to the ends of the earth?
Well, only if I get to the Fountain of Youth. Colonizing Florida was a difficult proposition after the Spanish left. The Britons did not want to give up too many of their people to the New World. A man by the name of Andrew Turnbull thought to look globally for new settlers, and so he went to Greece and Minorca and Italy and felt that he might be able to locate individuals there who were dealing with strife from Turkish invasions in Greece and hardships in their own countries to come to the New World for better prospects. And so boarded a ship and came here to America as indentured servants, but with the promise that they would be freed in anywhere from 3 to 10 years after working for their master. The Greeks brought with them their religion, their ideology, and their culture. The exodus from New Smyrna plantation happened in 1777, initially with 3 men leaving the colony and walking and swimming their way to St. Augustine, and upon arrival letting the governor know of the situation here. Soon more than 600 people had left, seeking refuge in St. Augustine.